Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Myra from Low Carb Love, and today we're gonna be making a 3-ingredient peanut butter cookie 3 ways. And we're gonna be making, of course, our traditional. We have peanut butter chocolate chip and peanut butter and jelly cookies. I am super excited about these. All right guys, so we're gonna get started on our peanut butter cookie dough. Now, this is the easiest cookie recipe you will ever make. And I'm gonna show you how simple it is to make 3 different versions with 1 cookie base, okay? So if you guys haven't already seen this, this is the most popular recipe on my YouTube channel, the most popular dessert recipe on my YouTube channel. So let me just show you what the consistency of this is. So this here is a natural peanut butter. It's not chunky. I just got this one at Costco. It's the Kirkland. So sometimes it does have a little bit more oil, but which is the brand, like the Skippy, the Jiffy, all that stuff. It's like really chunky, it's really thick. And the natural peanut butter is gonna be a little bit more runny like this. So this is the natural peanut butter. Then we have allulose. So I'm using powdered allulose. We're just gonna dump that right in. And I'll link it down below. Just look for an allulose. They're all pretty, they all work. Unless it has like stevia and monk fruit and all this other stuff in it, then that's where the texture might change a little. But powdered allulose is what I'm using. And then we have our room temperature egg. We're gonna toss that in. And we are going to mix. Okay, so as you can tell, the dough it's like a cookie dough. Okay, so this is like a magic dough here, guys. Magic, okay? Let's go ahead and dump it out. So here is our peanut butter cookie dough. Looking beautiful. I'm gonna go with a smaller size cookie so we have enough to make all 3 flavors. So basically I'm just gonna grab a little piece of the dough, roll it into like a little ball, the palms of my hand. So it's gonna look something like this, a little ball. And then we're just gonna flatten it. And you want to try to smooth out the edges so that it doesn't crack. I mean, that's not going to change the flavor. It's just so they look prettier. Okay. And then you're going to get your little fork if it's the traditional version. And just make like a little crisscross. So let me first get all the little cookies made, and then we will move on to the toppings and the filling, okay? For the thumbprint, we're making it a little chunkier. It's like it has a little more height to it, okay? It's not gonna be as flattened out. And then you're just gonna put it down. I obviously have nails, so I'm just gonna use my knuckle, and we're just gonna make a little but you can use your thumb, right? This is just how I have to make it. So now I'm just gonna continue making these, and I'll bring you back when it's time for the toppings. So I divided the dough. We have the original, then we have the thumbprint, and here we're going to use this dough to make a chocolate chip version. So we have our sugar-free chocolate chips. I'll link these down below if you don't already know. These are Chalk Zero. They are my favorite, the ones that I use for all my baking. So we're just gonna dump these in. I'm gonna save a few so we can top them, just a few. And let's go ahead and just mix this into the dough. And we're gonna have a peanut butter chocolate chip cookie. All right, guys, so our cookies are out. We've let them sit for a little because sometimes when they first come out, they are a little, like, I don't want to say flimsy, but they're still delicate. So now that they're cooled off, you can see that we can pick them up with our tongs. I mean, obviously if you're at home, you just, you know, you're eating them, you pick them up with your fingers, and we're just going to place them on here. I seriously cannot wait to try the peanut butter and jelly. Tell me which one you're more excited about. Traditional, because it's only 3 ingredients. Our little sugar-free chocolate chip, because, I mean, come on, who doesn't love peanut butter chocolate chip? Or the peanut butter and jelly cookie. I mean, have you ever even made a peanut butter and jelly cookie? So we have our traditional, our chocolate chip peanut butter, and our peanut butter and jelly cookie. So I've already tried the traditional. I think I pretty much know how the chocolate chip tastes. It was the bomb. If you guys haven't made it, you have to try it. But the one I haven't tried is the peanut butter and jelly. All right, let's try it. Oh, yes. Oh my gosh, the little jelly center. This is it right here. You have to try this recipe. Oh, I knew it. I knew it. It was gonna be so good. You guys are gonna absolutely love it. Honestly, anyone that you make, if you don't have jelly at home, make the traditional version because it's super bomb. And the little chocolate chips, I did use the sugar-free chocolate chips and they turned out absolutely amazing. I don't know if you could see the texture in there, but I mixed them into the dough. You saw that. And I would definitely recommend mixing it into the bowl, into the dough, versus just topping it, because like you basically get chocolate chips in every bite. And then this one here, you're just gonna use your favorite jam, whatever you use. I'm gonna go ahead and leave the link down below for this recipe. It's gonna take you to lowcarblove.com, where this recipe is gonna be printable along with exclusive recipes that I don't have anywhere else on the internet. So make sure you check that out. And if you still want a little more of me, make sure you're following me on Instagram and on TikTok, where I share just more recipe ideas and a glimpse into my everyday life. Guys, thank you so much for joining me on this super simple recipe. I cannot wait for you to try it because you're going to be so obsessed. But I will see you guys on my next video. Mwah.